Okay. So today, the scenario what we are discussing today is
Can you hear me, sir?
procure to pay. Sorry, procure to order. I'm sorry. It is not make to order. It is procure to order. Meaning, customer is requesting a custom product which is exclusively for him. That's why we call it make to order.
Yep.
Make to order scenario. Strategy is make to order 20. But we are not going to make it in-house. We go out and buy from a vendor, receive it, put our own margin and sell it to the customer. So that is what we are doing today. Okay?
Yeah.
So if you take a look at stock requirement list, there is no stock, there is no sales order. There is no requirement and there is no stock. So VCAS is going to create a customer requirement. Okay? So you have another session, you have two sessions. You can keep this session. You see the other session, change outbound, you go there and use transaction /n VA01 to create a sales order. V Victor, A like apple. Enter. So those are all good because we are repeating, so all that information is valid. Hit enter. And sold to party is 3000. Shipped to party is 3000. If you come down, you can see a placeholder for the material. Our product is 7114.
Yep.
And our customer is requesting this time 25 quantity.
Order quantity.
Yeah, 25. He's asking for 25. And
Yes.
who is going to supply? Plant. What is that plant? 3000.
3,000.
Enter. Once you save it, you can see a sales order number. And this number is going to appear in other screen, which is MD04 screen. Correct? Because you created a requirement. So if you go to other screen, what you already have, and if you refresh, you see a customer order sitting there for 25 quantity negative. Why?
We just no stop.
So now, next thing is, as a planner, you want to know when to procure, when to purchase from a vendor, how much to purchase, and all those details. Okay? For that, you take the advantage of MRP. So you have another session. You have one more session open there. You go there, and from here, you run MRP. Transaction code is /n MD03. Why? You are procuring. There is no bound. So you have two options. Option one, you can just leave it there. You get a purchasing requisition directly. And if you don't want that, you can make it number 3. That way you get planned order. But you have to convert that planned order into purchase requisition. Okay? So for now, we'll just leave it like that.
Okay.
And display results. Select display results. All the way down, you have a checkbox. Okay? Scheduling.
Enter.
Planning mode. Planning mode, you can make it number 3. Delete. No, sir. That is not planning mode.
Okay, sir.
the one above that. So the planning mode, if you select 3, what is going to do is, if you have any junk in the system, it is going to delete and recreate a fresh MRP result. That's why you take 3. Okay. And in the scheduling, you didn't change it to number 2 because you are not really worried about capacity, because you don't have a resource, you don't have BOM, you don't have receipt, you don't have anything. You just go out and purchase, right? So go ahead and hit enter. That's going to give you results. You need to validate it. Hit enter again. You ran MRP. You got a purchase requisition already.
Yep.
And you go ahead and save it. You're done. Then you want to see the effect in MD04, right?
Yep.
So go to MD04 and refresh the middle one. And by refreshing it, you can see the effect of your MRP run. You got the purchase requisition. Okay. So go to the another screen and try to release it. You release this guy. You have, yeah. How do you release it? /NME55. That's the transaction. Enter. And this time you got the 300 plant, 3000 plant. OR is correct. RV and execute. You can get one order only. Select your order, which is the second one, and save it. Yeah, you can enter 2, but once you save it. Okay. Now you go back to other session. Which one? You have one more, right? MD04 you have already. And go there. Middle one. Yes, sir. And convert that your purchase requisition into purchase order. Double click. Click on purchase order. Make sure you type your you type your purchasing organization. Purchasing organization is 3000 and the company code is 3000 and your vendor number is 3005 right here. 3005 is your vendor. Now you can drag and drop. You need to drag it and drop it in the shopping cart. Good. It didn't happen. Try again. The plus should be in the no. Come down. Drag it. Put it in the shopping cart. It should be in the shopping cart, not above the shopping cart. Yep. Just leave it. That's it. So you have everything. Everything is in green. Go ahead and save it.
And save it.
And you go ahead and refresh. Got the purchase order. Now you have another session, right? You go there and try to receive stock. Migo. No, not here. This one. Yes, sir. /N MIGO. Enter. Okay, your purchase order. If you you see that your number is 46. Correct. Enter. Save it. Very good. Okay, now if you go to MD04, the stock will be against your if you refresh, the stock will be seen in front of the sales order,
Yep.
right? So
Yes.
when is the date of delivery? Do I know? Do I remember? I don't remember. So put your cursor on the sales order. Go to the display and click there. From here, please click on shipping tab next to the procurement. Okay. So you have a date of 17 and you have a planned 3000, shipping 3000. Everything is good. We know the dates, and go back, sir. Now you have another session. In that session, create an outbound delivery document, the Migo screen, right? /n V as Victor, L as Larry, 0, 1, N as Nancy. See, everything popped up, but fortunately everything is correct, right? 17 is correct, 3000 correct, your sales order number is also correct. Enter. And now it is not picked. You see that? Zero quantity.
Yes.
The moment you save it, picking will be done. Then how can I see that? Click on outbound delivery all the way top. Click on change. Enter. Take a look at the picked quantity. 25 is picked. Now click on
Save.
post goods
Goods
issue.
issue.
Yeah, that's right. Now you go back to your MD04 where you have that screen already. Middle one, sir. And if you refresh it, it's gone. You see that?
Oh.
So
Yes.
that is complete. So you guys did extremely good today.